Welcome back, traders. If you keep missing bullish reversal pattern, that means you have been ignoring this one particular candlestick pattern called morning star. Today, let's talk about how I catch early bullish moving using morning star pattern. Now, let's talk about morning star, how you can identify morning star in the market and you can use it to make a massive profit. What is morning star? Morning star is a three candlestick pattern that is formed after a decline in price. Yes, I've been teaching on bullish reversal and I've been teaching on two candlestick pattern, but today let's talk about the one and only three candlestick pattern, which is called morning star. Now, the first candle has a bearish close. The second candle has a small range, and we'll call that what? Indecision. The third candle closed aggressively higher than 50% of the first candle. Now, there's something I tell you guys in candlestick pattern. Candlestick helps you to know who is in control of the market. Always bear that in mind, that candlestick pattern helps you to know who is in control. Telling you that the third candle closed aggressively higher than 50% of the first candle is telling you that what? Buyers momentum are coming in the market. Second candle is giving you what? Indecision. That means buyers and sellers are struggling. But the third candle tells you that buyers took over the market. Now, the first candle, sellers are in control as the price closed low. The first candle, sellers are in control, but the price closed what? Low. And on the second candle, there is an indecision, which I mentioned earlier in the market. Both sellers and buyers' pressure are in equilibrium. That is why it is a range. So when we have indecision, that tells you what? Sellers and buyers are struggling in the market. That is what we call indecision candle. Nobody has control of the market. Now, what happened at the third candle? On the third candle, buyers won the battle and price closed higherly. So the third candle has given us a confirmation that what happened? The market is going to be a buy. The market has reversed to a buy. Note, a morning star candle tells you that sellers are exhausted and buyers are momentarily in control. Now, let's dive into the diagram so that when you see it on your chart, you barely understand this time. If you see it on chart, you won't start looking at, what is this candle? What is this candle? It's very necessary for you to train your eye to identify all these patterns. If you see it on the chart, it's very easy to do what? Identify it. I guess I dropped a previous video when I figured out and I spotted that the morning star and how massively it go. So it's very necessary when you spot it out at your what? Demand or support area is a massive profit. So let's show you the candlestick I'm talking about. Now, this is what? Morning star, giving us three candlestick formation. This is the first candle, sellers are in control. The second candle, what happened? There's an indecision, which I explained to you. Indecision is where buyers and sellers are struggling, but no proper or no conclusion was made. And the third candle giving us what? A massive buy, telling us that buyers has already what? Took over the market. Buyers have already done what? Took over the market. So Morningstar helps you to identify a potential reversal, which is what? Bullish reversal pattern. I've already explained what bullish reversal is, and I've already done a lot of videos on candlestick that when you see it, you know that this is what? A bullish reversal pattern. On our next video, we'll talk about what? Bearish reversal pattern and continuation reversal pattern. If this video was helpful to you, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.